SEETEL New Energy. Driven by advanced energy storage technology, we are committed to becoming a global energy industry leader. In June 2025, we were officially listed on the Innovation Board, a significant milestone in realizing our global vision. From smart manufacturing and energy storage equipment to energy management systems, front-of-the-meter and behind-the-meter solutions, testing laboratories, EPC engineering and O&M services, we provide comprehensive, high-value energy solutions. SEETEL leads innovation in energy storage technology with a strong portfolio of patents in control and safety. We are the first company in Taiwan to pass the Energy Storage Project Design Review and obtain 2 certification for outdoor ESS installations. And in 2026, we took it a step further, becoming the first in Taiwan to achieve Japan's jcstar cybersecurity certification. To strengthen our core manufacturing foundation and enhance in-house production capabilities, SEETEL established its subsidiary Aurosi Precision and commenced mass production of battery modules. Through industry-academia collaboration, we actively support National Taiwan University's racing team and deepen research exchanges with National Central University. On the global stage, we partner with aidc to expand into the North American storage market and collaborate with Volvo Penta to build a smart energy storage and fast-charging ecosystem across the Asia-Pacific. We're also advancing the AI data center energy sector, leveraging intelligent energy management to meet the growing demands of high-performance computing, guided by our core principles: innovation first, safety always, and value-driven. We empower clients worldwide and fulfill our promise to power your success.